Why most IELTS students forget everything they study. Have you ever studied vocabulary for hours, then forgotten it the next day? You're not lazy. You're using the wrong learning method. Most IELTS students do this. Read a word list, highlight words, read the same page again. It feels productive. But research shows that simply rereading information is one of the weakest ways to learn. Instead, use active recall. Active recall means forcing your brain to remember information without looking at the answer. For example, you learn the word significant. Don't read it 10 times. Close the book and ask yourself, what does significant mean? Can I use it in a sentence? What's a synonym? The struggle to remember is exactly what strengthens memory. Let's say you're learning beneficial. Instead of reading beneficial equals useful, do this. Question: what does beneficial mean? Answer: helpful or useful. Question: create an IELTS sentence. Answer: regular exercise is highly beneficial for maintaining good health. Question: what's a synonym? Answer: advantageous. This takes longer, but you'll remember it during the exam. The 3-step IELTS with Ferhan method. Every time you learn new English, learn it. Close the book, test yourself. No highlighting, no endless reading. Test yourself. For the next 7 days, learn 5 words. Then close the book and test yourself. You'll remember more in 1 week than most students remember in 1 month. If you're preparing for IELTS, stop studying harder, start studying smarter. Follow IELTS with Ferhan for practical English and IELTS advice. IELTS Education 25.